Hello, this is Meredith from Mouse, and I'm going to tell you how to do the JavaScript Takeover activity. So first thing you got to do is go to this Hey French Toast webpage, and I'm going to show you first how the bookmarklet works, and then I'm going to show you how to quickly remix it to make your own. So the one I made is it's called Hey French Toast, and what it does is it replaces all the pictures on a website with pictures of French toast. So to see what it looks like, you're going to take this button here at the bottom and drag it into your bookmarks bar up at the top. So I click on it, hold it, and then leave it right over here, and you can see a little button, Hey French Toast. So now I've got to go to a website and run that button. So I picked the New York Times. So then I go to the page I want and I click the button, and it should replace all the pictures with pictures of delicious French toast. And as you can see, that is exactly what has happened, and it is wonderful. So now I'm going to show you how to do this with images of your own choosing. So go back to the Hey French Toast page, and you're going to click the remix button so that you can edit the code to make a theme that you like. So you click remix. It'll open up the page in Mozilla Thimble, which lets you see the page. Like you can see over here on the far right is the Hey French Toast page, and in the middle right here is all the code that makes this page happen. So inside this page are lots of code. You don't actually have to know a ton of code to edit this bookmarklet. What you're going to do is just follow the comments in the code and follow the instructions that they tell you, and it'll tell you everything you need to do in order to change this to something that you prefer. So here's the first comment. The comments are in black like this. It says, "Welcome to JavaScript Takeover," and it tells you to follow the comments, blah, blah, blah. So here's the next comment. Change Hey French Toast to your own title. So let's say, hey, how about puppies? So look, over here, it just replaced the French toast with the word puppies because I changed it over here. It's amazing and magical. All right, next comment. It says, change the French toast text to match your own theme. So I decided it was going to be puppies, so I'm going to look for every time I say the word French toast and replace it with puppies. Then I'm going to read the next comment, blah, 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 blah. You just keep reading and do everything that they're telling you. So here's another place where it's asking me to change some stuff. Now it wants me to put a new picture instead of this picture of French toast. So I've got to go onto Google and find a picture of puppies that I can use as my bookmarklet button. So I'm just going to click over here, go to Google, type in puppies, click over to Google Images, and oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing in the world. Alright, so I'm going to try to find the full image URL for this picture. So I click on it, and then I go to View Image, and I grab the image URL up from the top of the browser bar. I copied that, doing a Control-C or a Command-C on a Mac. Go back into my remix, and I'm going to find the image URL for this image and replace it with the one I just copied. So here it is. I'm going to highlight it so I know that I'm only changing the image, and then I'm going to paste, and there we go. It should be a picture of my little puppy. Look at it. It's so cute. Okay, so now I've done that. The next task is to edit the JavaScript itself. So here we go. I'm going to scroll down. So here's where I can see in this comment that this is where the JavaScript starts. So I'm going to look for the next comment. And here we go. Okay, here's the next comment. It says that this is where I go and I replace all the pictures of French toast with pictures of puppies. But to do that, I need to find pictures of puppies online and copy and paste them into here. So I've already got the one picture of puppy, that I use for the button, so I can choose that one first. I've got that already stored in my copy and paste. So here is an image, and I can tell it's an image because it starts with HTTP and ends with an image extension like GIF. And I'm going to highlight just that part of the code that's between the quotes, and I'm going to click paste. And that put a picture of a puppy in place of a picture of French toast. So let me find a couple more pictures of puppies that I can put in. So I'm going to look for first horizontal pictures. That means they're longer this way and shorter this way. These are all really cute. It's going to be hard to choose, but look at that. Take the image, grab the full URL just like I did before, go back to the code. Here we go. Go to the next image, copy and paste my code into there. So as you can see, here's the first horizontal picture, and I already replaced that one. Here's the second horizontal picture, and I just replaced that. So there's another horizontal, so I'm going to go look for one more horizontal. And I'm going to pick, let's see. Oh my goodness, look at this puppy. Oh, but okay, I can't choose. All right, okay, I'll pick this one. View image, copy and paste, bring it back to the code, find the full image URL inside the code, paste again. All right. Now I've got to look for vertical pictures. Vertical means they're taller than they are wide. So here's one that's a little bit taller. Oh, look at that puppy. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Find the image URL and replace it with the new one. Got to find one more vertical. Okay, let's look. Look at that. Oh, but how do you even choose? Okay, here we go. View image, copy, back to the code, go to the next picture of French toast and replace it. There we go. And now it's looking for square pictures. So square means it's the same on all sides. So I think I've seen a couple of those. Let's see. Here's a square. Oh, it's not square. This one's square. 720 by 720. So copy, paste. Got to get one more square picture. This one's pretty close to square. I'll do that. There, copy. Find the last image that I have to replace. Paste. And I think I'm done. If you wanted to change the text or make different colors, you could go and find the rest of the code and change any of this to your own. But now I'm officially done, and I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to change the name to Puppy Takeover because it's a new one. And then I click Save. And now I've got a URL, and I take that URL, and I'm going to test it. So it looks different. It says Hey Puppies instead of Hey French Toast. And it's got this picture. I'm going to drag this to my bookmarks bar. I'm going to go back to the New York Times. And once it loads, I'll click Hey Puppies, and it should change all the pictures to puppies. There's a puppy, puppies everywhere. Puppy explosion. It's amazing. And that is how you do the JavaScript Takeover activity. I look forward to seeing your remixes. Okay, bye.